Hey YouTube, Sam here. Well, I got my generator out and I love this thing. It works like a charm. I've had it since before I even hurt myself, and it pulls over first time every year. Well, unfortunately this year I pulled it over and it actually ran and everything like that, and then it shut off because I'm kind of down to the last bit of gas. I usually try and run it out of gas with some fresh stuff, and unfortunately I yanked on that and it snapped. So I'm heading out of town with it and I need to get it fixed, so I figured I'd do a video on it since I have to do it. Well, it's been a while since I've done this. I've done it to a couple lawnmowers a long time ago, so I don't exactly remember how it all works. I just know you got to be careful, because if you do it wrong, this thing can go flinging out of control and it's really hard to get back together. So start out 10mm, looks like 3 10mm bolts here to get the cover off. And I'm hoping I can just pull this cover off. I don't know if I have to pull this whole piece off too or not. I'm hoping not. I'm going to hold this on just in case it does have a spring or something. I don't think it does. Okay, well, there she blows. Here's the inside, and you can see where the broken piece is here. I'm kind of wondering if I can just use what's here. It only broke about 5 inches, 4 or 5 inches. And it actually seems like it's working, but it's not really bringing it back very well. You know what? I think I'm going to take that. I'm going to make sure I have some extra cord along with me in case I do have a problem down the road, but I'm just going to put my pull thing on there where it is, and we're going to try it out, see what happens. Now that has a little thing inside of it here that just pops out, and she's got a knot on the end of it when you put the cord through. So you gotta put the cord through here first. I might need to go ahead and burn the end of this. That's pretty frayed. That was one thing I gotta say. I've really been happy with this. It is weird that this is in here like that, and you have to pull against here. They need to have this out here where you can, you know, pull it straight. I guess if you really wanted to, you could pull it through here and probably get it a little bit straighter. But you always end up pulling out like that, and it doesn't really, you end up rubbing against here and the side there. Otherwise, I've been very happy with this stuff. I'm kind of burn the fuzzies off of this. Definitely going to have to maybe look and see what tools I might need to bring along in case I do need to restring this thing. It really doesn't look that hard. It almost looks like you'd do it from the outside without taking anything apart. The hard part would be just to get the string into here. Anyhow, so I'm going to put the tip back through here and try and make this one last a little bit longer. We shall see. And then put it up through here. Tie a knot. It's really simple as that, regardless if you have to change the cord or not. And if you can't tie a special knot, tie a lot, as Bear Grylls would say. I believe it was Bear Grylls. It's that or Les Stroud. Honestly, don't remember. But I think one single overhand knot with plenty of space on there. Stuff that down in there. Give her a yank. And I do think I am gonna put some lube in here. Just some 3-in-1 oil or mystery marv oil, whatever I can find close at hand. Alright, I just threw some 3-in-1. I just opened it up kind of like this and dabbed some down in here, all around here. And I tell you, that has made a world of difference actually. So this is probably something I should go around and do to all my equipment that I have. You can see it kind of coming out there, but yeah, that's really made a difference. So you may want to do that to your lawnmowers and things like that. And I'll probably start doing that every little while with this thing, and we'll test her out. You don't need to see it. I'm wondering if I could put it this way, and I could start pulling it through here instead of up there, or even out this way around this instead of but let's see, how does it normally go? Or am I not? Okay, so normally, let's see, it would go like this, but it doesn't. Okay, yeah, that's how it normally is right there. See, you gotta pull sideways. It's kind of strange. So if I was to do this, will they line up? No, they don't line up until you go all the way down to the bottom here. Or I could do it there, which would bring it this way. Yeah, there we go. Kind of wondering if that's the way it should have been in the first place. I'm going to try it like that. See what happens. Let's see. That shouldn't really interfere with that. We'll see. Worst case scenario, I undo 3 bolts and put it back together the other way. Kind of seriously wondering if it was meant to be more like this anyway. You don't need to watch. Turn it on. Nope. Daggone it. Well, that didn't work. I think it would have, but I didn't tie enough knots. Completely out, so my knot just wasn't big enough. So I'm gonna try it again. Well, I tied like 3 or 4 knots in the thing now, so hopefully we'll go. I'm wondering if I need to order another one of these. It's starting to get loose. Alright, well, she's all fixed, and I just ran out of gas there, so everything seems to be going well. This does seem to be kind of loosening up. I really do, actually. If I were you, I would, and you have one of these, put the pull cord over here. You definitely have a better angle. You're not pulling out like this, which will hopefully save this cord for a little bit longer. I will be bringing some with me as a spare, just in case, but I think I'll be alright for this trip anyway. And I may have to find out if I can get another one of those. It's starting to definitely loosen up, but anyhow, she's all fixed. That was pretty simple and easy, so that's definitely something anybody can do. This is Sam, Jack of all, Master none. You all have a good one.